everyone, welcome to Home Cooking with me Hema Subramanian. Pickles are an inevitable part of our daily meal and we usually prepare a variety of pickles and store them at home. Today I am going to share an instant cauliflower pickle that is super simple and very tasty. This pairs beautifully with rotis and parathas as well as rice. Let's get started and check it out. First, take a fresh cauliflower and chop it into small bite-sized florets. Make sure they are evenly cut for better texture and taste. Now in a pot, bring some water to a rolling boil. Add a teaspoon of salt and half teaspoon of turmeric powder and give it a quick mix. Drop in the cauliflowers and let them boil for just about 2 minutes. This isn't for cooking, but simply to clean and slightly soften them. After that, drain the water completely and let the florets cool down. Next, in a dry pan, roast a teaspoon of fenugreek seeds until golden brown and aromatic. Transfer it to a bowl. In the same pan, dry roast a teaspoon of mustard seeds until they splutter and set them aside. Now grind the roasted fenugreek seeds into a fine powder using a small mixer jar and keep it aside. Do the same with the mustard seeds. We'll be using both the powders in our masala mix. In a wide pan, heat about 4 tablespoons of sesame oil. Once the oil is hot, add 15 peeled garlic cloves. Garlic gives this pickle a wonderful depth of flavor. If you love this garlic aroma, feel free to add a few extra cloves. Once the raw smell of garlic fades, add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 4 tablespoons of red chili powder. Adjust this according to your spice levels. Next, add 2 teaspoons of salt and 2 teaspoons of freshly ground fenugreek powder and 2 teaspoons of mustard powder. Give everything a good mix so the oil and the spices combine well. Now add the blanched cauliflowers into the masala and gently mix on low flame. Let the florets get nicely coated with oil and spices. Be careful not to overheat as we don't want the masalas to burn. Once everything is well combined, turn off the flame and squeeze in the juice of 1 lemon. This adds a nice tangy taste and helps the flavors to settle in beautifully. And there you go, our instant cauliflower pickle is ready. Let it sit for at least 3 hours to absorb all those beautiful flavors. Store it in an airtight container and it stays fresh for about 4 to 5 days at room temperature and up to 10 days in the refrigerator. This pickle is a perfect companion to rice, rotis or even parathas. This cauliflower pickle can be quickly prepared. It's quite easy and it's packed with flavors. I'll give you a couple of other pickle recipes I've made earlier. Do check them out. Cauliflower never tasted better. Well, I really enjoyed the cauliflower pickle with that nice hot steaming rice. So next time you go to the market, pick up some nice fresh cauliflowers and definitely try this pickle. I'm sure everybody is going to absolutely love it. So do give it a try and share it with your family and friends. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get your notifications. The second edition of the home cooking book is now available on Amazon as well as on shop.homecookingshow.in.